Welcome to the Media Creator channel. In this video I will help you develop your channel. You know that in order for people to notice you, your channel needs to come out on top before the videos. Getting your channel to the top means that it is recommended in your videos. Today we will make a few standard settings to make our channel easy to find. When we enter the YouTube studio, we enter the Settings tab at the bottom left. Second place, by entering the channel section, we must first choose the country we are addressing. Then we need to write keywords for the channel itself. Our keywords are available here. We can make a few additions here. After doing these operations on a new channel, do not upload videos to the channel for 8 days, and start uploading videos after 8 days. The reason for not posting videos for 8 days is because YouTube has optimized your channel. I hope I was able to help so much from this video. See you in different videos. Goodbye.